room. This is about what the room represents. And unfortunately, this room could destroy you.
Yeah, I'm not so worried.
Yeah, no, me neither. Honey, I know you're quirky, and I get a big kick out of it. We all do, actually. But if you destroy a coat like this, I mean, that is like a crime against nature. Not nature, fashion!
I majored in lightning rounds. All right? We're going to destroy you.
Want to bet?
I'm so confused as to what we've been doing so far.
How do you feel?
Well, let's just say that Krog will be fully equipped to destroy the universe again in 12 to 14 hours.
Okay, so I totally took care of the babies all by myself.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word destroy. It means to reduce an object to useless fragments, a useless form, or remains, as by rending, burning, or dissolving, injure beyond repair or renewal, demolish, ruin, annihilate. Also means to put an end to, extinguish. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce destroy, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to stroy. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how destroy is used in real life.
Mom, I love you, but for the love of God...
We just have to destroy the manuals. We can scatter everything else.
I was out. I'm not trying to destroy your confidence, that's the one.
We're going to destroy you.
Want to bet?
Destroy you.
No, it combines two of Sheldon's favorite things.
Even me from the future coming back to prevent the wedding and the
Seduce and destroy will change your life.
I specifically told my staff to destroy everything. I can't.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.